greatest impact as far as our ability to satisfy customers, which is ultimately why we're here, is to build quality product. My name is Craig Armstrong. I'm Vice President of Operations for Jetta. We consider ourselves one of the industry leaders as far as how we serve our customer base. We put a lot of emphasis on not only high quality products, but high quality service to our distributors and to our customers. Jetta had actually considered doing a lighting upgrade in the showroom prior to U.S. Energy Recovery contacting us. We specifically had a need in our showrooms. We have approximately 100 can lights in here. They were incandescents. We were having a terrible time with those continually burning out. We had another issue came up to where our final cleaning station and inspection station for our manufacturing process, we kind of had a low level light there. It's very critical for our operators to be able to see what they're doing. Just as timing would have it, Danny called on us, presented to us an opportunity to upgrade to LEDs, help spec out the LED conversion in our showroom for our can lights, walked the entire campus building by building, documented every light, put that into an Excel chart. I basically said, here's what you've got, here's how much energy that particular fixture or bulb would consume based on your hours of operation, give us a total of energy consumption, and put that against the current versus proposed for a good calculation of what our potential for energy savings was and ultimately cost savings. We manufacture product here 4 days a week, but we had no interruption to production during that period of time, and the project went smooth. The significant area was in our cleaning and final inspection. It's like daylight. That was much appreciated by our operators in that area that are looking for even the most minute scratch. You or I probably wouldn't even be able to identify what our operators find and polish out of a bathtub to give it a pristine finish. U.S. Energy Recovery did an excellent job of basically presenting all of the cost savings information, all of the rebate programs, coordinating all of the work. That part of project management wasn't required. Once we got into this and saw that there were rebates available and the fact that it's an environmentally friendly thing to do, we went ahead and upgraded the entire campus. Overall, it's been positive for all of our production workers in different areas of the campus. Anybody that wants to be better environmental stewards or even has some lighting issues, that they would look at an upgrade program like we did with U.S. Energy Recovery.